Welcome to TegKidz. Today we are going to meet our Incy Wincy spider. Incy Wincy spider climbed up the big blue slide. Step by step so carefully, up the curvy side. Down came the rain, drip, drop, down. Whoosh went the spider, sliding to the ground.
Out came the sunshine, shining big and bright, drying up the raindrops in the warm soft light. Up climbed the spider with a happy grin.
I'll try again.
Let the fun begin.
Incy Wincy spider climbed up nice and slow, reached the very top and shouted, "Go, go, go!" Way down the slide, fast and free. Giggle, just like me.
County Wincy spider climbing,
1, 2, 3.
tiny little legs as happy as can be.
Climb up high, touch the sky, slide down fast and wave goodbye. Incy Wincy spider climbing up so high. Whoosh went the wind blowing through the sky. Hold on tight, don't let go. Brave little spider climbing nice and slow. Incy Wincy spider and a buggy friend climbed up the slide from end to end. Ready, steady, down they glide, laughing loudly on the slide. Incy Wincy spider slipped but didn't cry. Try again, he said, reaching for the sky. Up, 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 brave and strong. Incy Wincy spider sings a victory song.
Like it, share it, subscribe today.